If you ever wondered what stock was, check this out. You will never take my castle. My heathen army will destroy your stupid castle. My fleet is gonna sink your stupid Viking canoes. Would you guys just stop? For honor! Valhalla! Open fire! Can we just form a corporation and issue 3 shares of stock? What is a corporation? A corporation is a business structure where individuals invest their unique resources into that business. Go on. Then they issue shares, with each share equaling an equal portion of all the plunder. Yeah, Vikings do not share. So you wouldn't own your castle anymore. Blasphemy! Your heathen army wouldn't work for you. Ha ha ha! No. And the pirate fleet would now be property of the corporation. I wonder about the branding. Why in God's name would I give him my castle? Look, your castle is way too big for you and you can use it as a central distribution hub. We do have a surplus of food we could sell. I can move products globally. The heathen army does want to raid new lands, so you could stop defeating each other and make some money. Let us wage war together. What if I want to sell my shares? Oh, we're going to be going over how to sell your shares in part 2. I guess we'll have to follow. Skull! So it's going to look like this. The knight, the castle becomes distribution. The heathen army becomes the labor force. And ultimately, the pirate ships are going to become the channel of distribution. This is a corporation.